Hello everybody, today we are going to be working on our bees. You are going to need your watercolors, your water, and your Play-Doh, okay? So first what you're going to do with your Play-Doh is you're going to take it out nicely. You're going to get some of the Play-Doh out. It is going to get on your fingers. See, look at, I have it on my fingers. It's okay. And what you're going to do is you are going to nicely make sure it stays on your table as you build your bee. So you're going to build the bee on the bigger bee with your Play-Doh. Make sure it goes all the way around and make sure that it stays in the lines. We don't want to make a tiny big bee. We want to make a big bee. If that makes any sense. Okay, now we are going to keep going around, and I just need a little bit more for me to be done. Now for me to be completely done, I gotta say, what sound does it make? Bee makes a b sound. Very good job. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna take all my Play-Doh. I'm gonna make sure I get all my little pieces. So I dot the page to make sure all my little pieces get put back into the little cup. I'm going to put the top back on. I'm going to make sure that I do the front and back of my bee page. Now I'm going to then paint my bees. Now remember, you're going to paint inside the lines. I already painted mine ahead of time, but you're supposed to do your Play-Doh first, then you paint. Alright? So we do our big bee, our capital B, and our lowercase b. Remember, when you are doing your watercolors, you need to be extra careful that the water doesn't spill and that the paint stays on the paper. Also, make sure that your Play-Doh stays in its holder, that it doesn't get on the carpet, in your hair, in your nose, in your ears, none of that stuff, okay? When you're painting, also make sure you're only painting the paper. You don't need to paint your hands, you don't need to paint your clothes, you don't need to paint any of that kind of stuff. You're just painting the paper for me, okay? That is your assignment for today. Remember, if you're done and you want to do something else, you have your small bees, so you can practice writing your bees around your paper, or you can paint the background, or you can even color it too. All right? We did our A's yesterday, our B's today. That means we are doing our C's tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.